The first question you might ask yourself is, what is preservation? You might get panicked thinking about knowledge, a skill set, or equipment that you just don't have. Meanwhile, the media of your past and present is just sitting there. Try not to worry. Preservation, as a word, can be intimidating because it can involve a lot of different actions. Let's try to make it simple. With audiovisual materials, like the ones you have, caring for your collection boils down to the following principles. Number 1, assessing what you have and identifying it. Number 2, describing your items and then cataloging them so that you remember what they are and where to find them again. Number 3, making sure your materials are kept in a clean, safe environment from the room or space they're stored in to the smaller containers they're stored in. Number 4, reformatting or digitizing your materials so that you can play and access them even in the event that the original materials decay or become unplayable, but still keeping track of those original materials. And number 5, maintaining your collection over time. Here we'll explain how you do all of these things. For more detailed instruction, you can browse through the accompanying Learn PDF guide.